What's up, everyone? Good morning, good morning. Today is May 1st of the year 2022. And today, I'm going off-roading by myself. First time this year. And pretty excited, even though the weather is looking a little gloomy. But that ain't stopping me. Going with some buddies, Fredrick. Gonna go check some new trails out. Alright guys, we're pulling up right here. It started to rain. Oh, we in here. Let's see what we get into. Hopefully we get some nice slippery trails. There's a squad. We got 3 cars in front of us. A couple more guys. Alright, John, now it's pouring. This is fun. Let's see what we could get up to. Nation, baby. It's nice when it's raining. Alright. Oh shit. Crossing that little river, I almost fell. I'm about to fall again. I need some hiking shoes. Alright, so I'm over here, Fredrick Watershed, as y'all know. I'm about to see if I can go through this thing right here. Wish me luck. That was fun, look at that. Pretty sick. That's a nice little fall. Wouldn't recommend it. That's Fredrick Watershed right there. It was a lot of fun. Definitely some light trails, so if you want to get started into the off-roading sport, or you want to try your Jeep out or your truck out, definitely a good spot to come. It's very easy, so definitely for beginners. It was definitely fun in the rain. That was my first time doing it in the rain. I actually liked that. The experience, it was a lot of fun. I liked it. Definitely got all wet, but it was worth it. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this type of stuff, make sure you follow, subscribe, hit the like button. You know what I mean? Peace. Till next time.